Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we compare the latest gadgets to help you make the smartest purchase decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the Idea brushless motor drone, and on the right, the Techwonderz drone with camera. Which one will take flight, and which one will crash and burn? Stay tuned to find out. Let's kick things off with the price. Idea comes in at a wallet-friendly $89, while Techwonderz stretches your budget a bit more at $129. For that extra $40, you could buy yourself a nice dinner or a really fancy coffee. Just saying. Now, let's talk cameras. Idea boasts a jaw-dropping 4K camera with a Sony sensor. It's like having a mini Christopher Nolan flying around. Meanwhile, Techwonderz offers a 1080p HD dual camera. Sure, it's nice, but it's like comparing a blockbuster to a home movie. Plus, Idea's 5G Wi-Fi FPV ensures your videos are smoother than a baby's bottom. Reviewers love the clarity and quality of Idea's camera, while Techwonderz is praised for being great for beginners but falls short in comparison. When it comes to flight performance, Idea flexes with brushless motors, giving you stable hovering even in high altitudes and windy conditions. It's like the drone equivalent of a rock-solid marriage. Techwonderz, on the other hand, also promises stability with its optical flow positioning and altitude hold mode. It's more like a dependable roommate. Gets the job done, but might leave dishes in the sink. Reviews highlight Idea's stability and ease of use, especially for beginners, while Techwonderz is noted for its reliable performance and ease of control. Both drones come equipped with obstacle avoidance features. Idea uses a 360 degrees laser scan to dodge obstacles. It's practically a ninja. Techwonderz also claims 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, but it feels more like your clumsy friend trying to navigate a crowded room. Still, both will save you from those embarrassing drone crashes in front of your friends. Reviewers have mixed feelings about Idea's obstacle avoidance, with some finding it effective and others not so much. Techwonderz, on the other hand, is generally praised for its ease of navigation. Battery life is where things get interesting. Idea offers up to 20 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. Not bad, right? But Techwonderz? It's like the Energizer Bunny. With a whopping 50 minutes of flight time, you could practically film an entire wedding. Just imagine the bouquet toss in slow-mo. Reviews for Techwonderz often highlight its impressive battery life, while Idea's battery life is seen as adequate but not extraordinary. Finally, let's talk user experience. Idea is packed with features like optical flow positioning, headless mode, one-button takeoff and landing, and gesture control. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Techwonderz isn't far behind with similar features. Plus, cool tricks like 360 degrees flips, waypoint functions, and follow me mode. It's like having a loyal puppy that also happens to be a ninja. Reviewers praise Idea for its versatility and ease of use, especially for beginners. Techwonderz receives high marks for its fun features and overall user-friendly experience. Overall, reviews for Idea brushless motor drone highlight its stability, camera quality, and value for money, although some users report issues with durability and battery life. Techwonderz drone with camera is praised for its ease of use, long battery life, and user-friendly features, making it a great choice for beginners. So which drone is the winner? If you're looking for high-end camera quality and solid performance without breaking the bank, Idea is your go-to. But if you want extended flight time and a few extra tricks up your sleeve, Techwonderz might just be worth the splurge. Either way, you're in for a fun ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Buy Smart comparisons. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. Until next time, fly safe and buy smart. Product links are in the description.